Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy, the 10X Closer, and I'm about to give y'all a real quick business hack to generate some income in 2021. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real simple. You know, everything I tell y'all better have the credit in check. If y'all don't have the credit in check, man, it's gonna be hard on your life. But anyway, I say that to say this because I want y'all to have good credit so y'all could then get business credit if you don't have business credit. But anyway, the business hack I'm gonna give y'all today to generate some income, some extra income, because this year we focus on multiple streams of income, is Turo. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna keep it real simple. Go do your research on what Turo is and you know how you can make the money in your area, but you want to have good credit. With that good credit, what you want to do is go purchase a car, whether it's going to be a down payment. Like I was saying, I had to pause for a second, but yeah, Turo. So you want to utilize your business credit, business, if not personal credit, if you got to get yourself off the ground. And you want to go out and purchase a car. Depending on how much money you have, whether you're going to buy it outright, or you're going to put a down payment on one or two cars. All right, you want to go ahead and purchase, but the key to this is you want to basically utilize this method with the 0% interest credit cards, business credit cards preferably, because it do not report on your personal credit, and you get to utilize 0% interest for anywhere from 9 to 18 months or more, depending on the card that you get. So basically you could go out and buy these cars now. Depending on what kind of cars you want to put on Turo, you could do your research for your area. You could go with basic, you know, the everyday car, which, you know, you can purchase used at that, you know, $6,000 and up. So let's say, for instance, let's use that per se. You get, you know, 2015 Honda Civic or something like that, just for an example. For $6,000 at an auction or something, and you buy that with that 0% interest card. Now you go out and you rent that car out for $30 a day, $35, $40 a day, depending on, you know, what your market and area will bear. You know, you do the math on that. You're gonna go ahead and pay off that car. Well, you're gonna let the car pay off itself with those credit cards, and you're going to be generating some income every month, and that's basically a $0 out-of-pocket strategy that you could use with the 0% interest credit card. So basically what you want to do, go out and get a nice economical car, one that's reliable. You swipe it on your card, get it paid in full if you're purchasing that one, or you could use the 0% to get down payments on a couple, but make sure you do your numbers. And there you go. That's your hack for 2021 to get some income. Do some more research on that. This is just basically a general breakdown of what you can do with business credit and having good personal credit. And if you need help with both of those, contact me directly. All my information is here, so go ahead and contact me. I could get your business credit together. If you don't have that, if you have bad personal credit, I go ahead and get your personal credit together to where you can get business credit, and we're going to go out and get these low overhead businesses that can generate multiple streams of income for virtually little to no money out of your pocket. You know, so it's your guy, the 10X Closer. Make sure you like and subscribe or follow, depending on where you're watching this, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, wherever. Just make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and contact me if you need help with any of these things.